Yeah, I can do anything.
Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to Life and Beauty with Cece. It's your girl Cece, and today I'm going to be showing you how I got this hairstyle. If you'd like to find out, go ahead and keep watching. I did show clips on how I did a hack of how to not use as much braiding hair when you're doing your own hair. Hope you guys enjoy it, and yeah, let's get into the video. This is how much hair I have left. Last night I was tired. I just finished the 2 layers, and then I took my ass to bed. So, okay, I have a clip here. Let me clip this up so I can show y'all the back. So this is the back of my hair. I wanted it to be small, but I didn't want it to be too small. So yeah. I think it's turning out very good. I really am enjoying the ombre effect. We really like it. We really do like it. Okay, so jumping right in, after showing you guys the back section, I have just been doing knotless braids, moving up to the front of my hair. So here I'm showing you how I pre-sectioned the extensions to feed into my braids. Really important, and I highly recommend doing this so that way you're like neat and you're able to just braid and grab as you go. I also am going ahead and slightly saturating my hair with edge control booster, or the edge booster. I'm using the coconut flavor. And as soon as I've sectioned 3 parts of my natural hair, I'm gonna go ahead and start feeding in the hair. For each braid, I actually used 5 strands per braid. So to get that desired size, if you do like the size that I have, I used 5 strands per braid. And I'm really taking my time and honestly just feeding in the extensions. And I'm also, reaching to get edge booster and making sure I'm smoothing out my natural hair so that it's properly tucked in. But this is real time, guys, so at this point I'm gonna stop speaking and I'm gonna allow you guys to just watch what I'm doing. I hope you guys enjoy. So I did want to point out, like right here, you notice that I added a piece of hair, and it really all depends. I wouldn't say add all 5 strands at the beginning of your braid. You definitely want to be mindful of the sizing. So like once I felt like the hair was like thick enough at the beginning, I would add like typically the 5th strand towards the end. Just to make sure that the size carried through towards the end of the braid. And I'm showing you guys a close-up of how the knot or the knotless look is. Dang, I'm super ashy. But that's just because the edge booster was bad sticky, so I washed my hands a lot. But yeah, disregard the ash. hair turned out bomb. Do y'all see this? Do y'all see how I gripped my hair? Maybe please. Do you guys see how my hair turned out? Hack. And it even still looks cute flipped over. Like, it still looks cute. I'm still giving you a vibe. Look at that. Let me go back. Do you see? You see what I did right there? You see what I did? 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 Okay? I'm happy with my results. Yes. Yes. Okay, I'm annoying. All right. Let's get into facts of this hair. I got 8 bundles of this ombre hair, and it's giving me honey blonde at the ends. You know, we love it. We stand for it. It's very summertime. This hair is so soft, and I knew when I set it, it was gonna set perfectly. I need to stop looking up here and look at y'all. I'm sorry. Okay, eye contact. But I used 4 packs. This is the rest of the 4th pack, and I got 8. Very nice hair. One thing about me though, I get tired quickly when doing my hair, so it took me 3 days. I'm being honest with you. I was watching a TV series, taking my time. I haven't been able to sleep in months, so like I was like, I might as well do my hair, and I was taking my time. I wasn't rushing or anything about it. But I feel like this is a hack because say if you have really thick hair and you're doing it yourself, you can honestly save hair. Like I literally got 8 packs and I only used 4 packs because I did it this way. And I think it's really cute. It's like, it's not too much too. Like, I love it. I can't put it up in a high bun, obviously, because, you know, it's braided down. But like, my scalp can breathe. Like, I don't think it looks horrible like this. Like, you know what I mean? Maybe I just started a new style because we be on our own wave. This is really cute. This is really cute, y'all. I would recommend this if you're doing your hair by yourself, if you don't have a lot of hair. Very good. And it comes at a nice length. I didn't want it OD long, but it's long enough. Like, sis, do you see the knots? No, because it's knotless. Okay. I need you to see this. Somebody gotta see me. Somebody gotta see me. I love it. We love it. You love it? If you like my hairstyle, if you like this video, I know it's a little choppy, but if you like it, give it a thumbs up. Share this video, y'all. Share this video. It's gonna give me motivation to be more consistent. Give this video a thumbs up. Share, like, subscribe. What else am I forgetting? Hit the notification bell so you know the next time that I post. And continue showing me love. I give you love right back. I really hope that you enjoyed this hairstyle, this hack, you know, for us non-beauticians that are just out here just trying to be cute, you know, because I'm in the business of being cute, okay, and there's nothing else to do. Might as well do my hair, and I did it, and I'm very proud and happy of the results. And yeah, I think we're just gonna slow fade into some like looks.
I've been slipping, I've been tripping, sipping swag juice and it's dripping. Got the kush bush, got me lifted, don't waste it, I'm me fishing. It's a lot of bitches and I'm fishing, in a barrel and I'm picking. Can't see me, can't see shit, no, we don't need lights for the show.
I wanted to come back here to let you know that Information to this hair will be in the description box. Also, your girl has definitely been working on some things. I co-host a podcast called On the Mic with Landon B. We actually upload every Wednesday, so you can actually check the link in my bio. The link to that podcast will be in the description box, so that way you can catch up. We've already 3 episodes in, so you might as well just catch up and go ahead and subscribe to that YouTube channel too, because we definitely go ahead and provide content on that. Do want to thank you guys so much for supporting me thus far. Again, please go ahead and share this video, like, comment, and subscribe. And I'm really leaving this time. I'm going this time.
We don't need lights for the show.